Free yourself from battery changes with Blink Solaris. Our solar-powered security solution combines a compact, weather-resistant design with easy installation. Now let's get started with setup. So, what do you need? Well, the Solaris battery pack and a compatible Outdoor 2K Plus or Outdoor 4. Now, if you're new to Blink, start by downloading the Blink Home Monitor app and creating your account. The Blink app is your command center for all your Blink devices. It's where you can view, control, and customize just about everything directly from your phone. Once you're in the app, tap the plus icon to add a new device. Select Add Blink Solaris Battery Pack, and on the next screen you will see a list of eligible devices in your system that you can connect with Blink Solaris. Simply press Connect to Camera from the list to complete your setup. If you're adding a new camera, click Install New Camera and follow the instructions in the app. Once you select the camera you want to connect, the app will prompt you to remove the batteries from your camera if needed. And once any AA batteries have been removed, it's time to connect your Blink Solaris battery pack by carefully lining it up to the back of your compatible outdoor camera. Tighten the screw in the center of the Blink Solaris and ensure the battery pack fits snugly against the camera. Next, you're going to want to place the back cover of the camera onto the exposed back of the Blink Solaris battery pack. If the camera doesn't power on after 30 seconds, check the connection between the Blink Solaris battery pack and camera. If your camera is still not powering on, you may need to place your Solaris in some direct sunlight for 45 minutes to establish an initial charge. And that's it! Your Blink Solaris setup is complete and ready to mount. Now let's talk about mounting your Blink Solaris. Here are a few important tips. First, make sure you're within range of your sync module. You can check your signal strength directly within the app. And for placement, it's best to mount your camera at a height up to about 10 feet or 3 meters aimed at your target area. Now, since the Blink Solaris is solar powered, you want to make sure that there's no trees or overhangs above it so that the sunlight can actually hit the solar panel. And the good news is that it only needs 45 minutes of sunlight to capture video. Okay, once you found the perfect spot to mount your camera, drill the mounting plate to the wall using the provided screws. Now we're gonna snap in our Blink Outdoor 2K Plus with the Blink Solaris on top, right onto this mount. There it is. And then you just wanna aim it towards the exact spot that you want the camera to detect. And you're all set. Your Blink Solaris battery pack is now installed. Just set it, forget it, and stay protected.